Can you name the most important river of South India? Kaveri. Buckingham. Super. Buckingham is a canal. Tamrabarni. Kalla. Sir. Vaigai.
Harishchandra.
Pala. Kaveri. Tungabhadra. But why not anyone said about the river which is closest to all of us sitting here? Kuvam. Fantastic. Hats off to Shiva Prakash, and of course partly answered by Harish as well. The utterance of the word Kuvam itself brings in some stinking smell into our noses, isn't it not? Do you know, few centuries back, it was considered to be a sacred river, Kuvam. And taking a dip in Kuvam will lead you to salvation. I'm not very sure now, but if you take a dip in today's condition, you will get liberation from the body, but I'm not sure whether you will get salvation. It was also a river which was used for maritime trade. It was connecting the Mylapore port of ancient times. What has happened in these few centuries? Two reasons. One is that river runoff has come down over a period of time. And the second and the very important reason, all the domestic and industrial sewage and effluent is let out to Kuvam River without treatment. Toastmaster of the day, fellow Toastmaster and distinguished guest. Today I am going to talk about the importance of wastewater treatment. What is wastewater? Or what is sewage? It is the water that we use. Once we use, it becomes wastewater. And it is generated where? It is generated in our own kitchen, in our own toilets, at our homes, hospitals, and schools, offices, and factories. And if you see wastewater, what is it? Basically, what that composition of wastewater is. It has three main ingredients: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. For a moment, don't think it can be supplemented for a nutrient lacuna in somebody. See, there is a saying, which is also my topic: waste is a waste only when it is wasted. In the case of wastewater, it is not only the waste, it is also harmful. If you don't treat it, it becomes harmful, like in the case of Kuvam River. Now, the Mother Earth has given us all natural resources in the purest form. And what are we giving her back? Let's take an analogy. Shiva is my very good friend, and I have asked him for 1,000 rupees loan. Can I give you, Shiva?
Hey, please.
Can I get you? Thank you. He has given a brand new creaseless 1,000 rupee note. And I am taking it, using it for 2 days, and then after 2 days I am giving it back, soiled, wrinkled, damaged, and completely damaged one to Shiva. How will you respond, Shiva? However good friend you are.
Thank you, at least you gave me back.
Won't you slap me? Won't you not get irritated? This is what is happening with Mother Earth also. When we spoil her resources, she spoils our well-being. The place where the types of mosquitoes are bred is the place where we don't care about the Mother Earth. Means we don't care the treatment of the wastewater and leave it to Kuvam, and then there she breeds the mosquitoes, which in turn affects us in terms of dengue, malaria, and so on. Now, is that situation all that bad? Yes, it is. I'll tell you another example. The first treatment plant in Chennai came up in 1943, in the British period. The second treatment plant came in the year 1973, 40 years later. When you take bath, what happens to water? You pick up a mug of water, it's water, pour it on you. By the time it comes out of your body, in 40 seconds it becomes wastewater. Water to wastewater in 40 seconds, but to build a wastewater plant we took 40 years. Can you now imagine the reason why Kuvam is so polluted? Now, there are some good aspects. For example, GMR is buying the wastewater from the Chennai Metropolitan and Sewage Board in bulk, and then in turn treats it and uses it in its own plant. Take our own example. This campus uses 2.5 lakh liters per day, and we are one of the green campus, and we are also treating the water and then reusing it for the purpose of, not for drinking, but for the purpose of gardening and for toilet flushing and so on. So reuse and treatment, it's not only reduces the harm that we are letting out to the nature, it also reduces the burden of fresh requirement of water. That's another thing. Now, if you go to Singapore, how many of you have gone to Singapore? You have a packaged drinking water called a NUWATER, NUWATER. That is nothing but sewage treated into the quality of drinking water. This is the only country in the world which is giving this sewage treated into drinking water. That ad doesn't seem to be a sarcastic one. Drink, and you know what that? Recycle. My idea of treatment, if not we are reaching up to this level of treating the sewage to the drinking water quality, in our own lifetime, we should go and stand near the Kuvam river and admire her beauty rather than have to close our nose and cross the river. Over to Toastmaster of the day.